Hey Victor, ready for bed?
Almost. Just need to brush my teeth. How about you?
I'm all set. I've been so tired all day. Can't wait to crash.
Same here. It's been a long day. Want to read a chapter of that book before we turn off the lights?
Sure, that sounds nice. Let me just get it from the nightstand.
Great. I'll turn down the covers and get comfortable.
Perfect. I'll be right there.
Thanks for winding down with me. It's always nice to end the day together.
I agree. It's one of my favorite parts of the day.
Me too. All right, let's get cozy and read.
Sounds good. Good night, Victor.
Good night, Tabitha.